Xiaomi Vacuum Cleaner G20 Lite Honest Review. So, let's go to the design and build. The G20 Lite is very lightweight, compact, and easy to store. Its detachable dustbin and washable HEPA filter make cleaning simple. Let's go to the performance. For a budget vacuum, it performs surprisingly well on tile and hardwood floors, but it struggles slightly with thick carpets. The suction power is decent, though it's not as strong as Xiaomi's higher end models. And now let's talk to its battery life. You can get around 40 minutes on standard mode, which is enough for a small apartment. And you can go for turbo mode for 20 minutes because it drains the battery faster. And let's go to the noise level. It's relatively quiet compared to other vacuums in this price range, making it apartment friendly. And let's go to the price and value. At its price point, it's very affordable and it offers great value for light to medium cleaning tasks. So, for a final verdict, if you need a reliable budget vacuum for daily use and mostly have hard floors, the G20 Lite is a good buy. But if you need deep carpet cleaning, you might want to look for a more powerful model. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.